Nowadays, smartphones are really getting crazy, especially rugged smartphones. Some of them have night vision camera, some have thermal imaging camera, and some even have 21,000 mAh super battery. This HOTWAV W10 is also insane. Not only does it have a huge 15,000 mAh battery, but it's discounted for less than $100. Okay, let's take a look at this W10 in today's video to see if it's really worth buying. The box of the HOTWAV rugged phone seems to be the same, black box with red logo. The screen film has been attached to the phone. In addition to a pin, 18-watt charger, and a Type-C charging cable, there's a USB-C to USB adapter in the box. What is this cable for? You can take a good guess. We will reveal the answer later. Although it has a large 15,000 mAh battery, the weight and thickness of this phone is just like those normal rugged phones. You can still use the phone with one hand. Unlike normal phones, the rugged phone is always unique in design. The design style of W10 is still on the tough side. The camera module and fingerprint recognition are placed in this shield. The exposed screens are also a classic design for rugged phones. I would recommend you to buy the orange one because the orange color makes the W10 look less boring. Of course, the W10 is also certified IP68 and IP69K. Shockproof? Of course, you can't break this phone under normal conditions. The SIM card slot support TF card expansion, and the speaker is at the bottom of the back. For those who like stereo sound, you can use the 3.5mm headphone jack on the top frame. Now let's talk about this huge battery. 15,000 mAh may not be the biggest battery in the world, but it's enough to beat 99% of other phones. Because its processor is so power efficient, there's no way we can drain the huge battery. When we received the W10 with a 65% battery, we used the W10 to play 1080p online videos all night and then continue to run PUBG lowest graphics. The battery also still had 20% left. According to the official data, W10 standby time can reach 1,200 hours. That is 50 days. Users no longer have to be afraid of losing contact with family and friends because the phone would never be out of power. The charging power of W10 is only 18 watt though. You may think that 18 watt is not good enough to charge a 15,000 mAh battery. This is true, but you have to consider the user's usage scenario. People who would buy this kind of phone usually charge it fully before going to bed and then use it outside. So the W10 doesn't need a fast charging speed as long as it has a big enough battery. Remember the USB-C to USB adapter cable in the box? Any idea what it is used for? If you combine it with Type-C charging cable, you will know the answer. Yes, put together they are a C2C cable. Because the W10 supports reverse charging, you can use it to charge your other devices. It doesn't charge fast, but only if it is for emergency power backup, it should be enough. Considering its ultra low price of $99, honestly, we should lower our expectations for its other specs. The W10 screen is a 6.5-inch 720p LCD screen. Although 720p sounds poor in clarity, this LCD screen actually looks only a little worse than the 1080p OLED screen. Clarity is not as bad as you might think. Performance is the W10's biggest drawback. The MTK Helio A22 is an old entry-level processor, and its benchmark score I will write on the screen. While for the lowest graphics PUBG can run, it lacks more, so it's not very suitable for those who have gaming needs. About its camera, even the rugged phone, which is more expensive than W10, the camera may not be very powerful. So I think the 99 rugged phone, which can quickly scan QR codes, is good enough. HOTWAV's rugged phone always surprises us, especially in terms of price. For only $99, you can get a drop-proof and waterproof power bank that can make phone calls. This power bank even can watch videos and take pictures. It may not be perfect as a phone, but it's cheap, and it has a big battery. Someone out there will always need one of these. This is Gizmochina. I'm Will, and I will see you next time.